it almost seems like science fiction to me. But that makes it fun. For the most part, my research involves very high precision measurements. Even a number of years ago, it became very, very difficult to process the materials without doing damage to them. And that got me interested in the overall area of how to do very high precision measurements on semiconductors and on materials used to make semiconductor devices, and finally on how to do those measurements while you're fabricating the devices. If you're manufacturing a semiconductor device, you can't afford to even touch it with electrons. Well, you start continuing down this process of elimination and say, what can I do? That ultimately leads you to one of the few things that you can do is to bounce light off of the surface. So I began initially worried about the physics of semiconductor devices, and then slowly moved into the realm of using high precision optical measurements to figure out what's going on those surfaces. One thing about the University of Michigan that I really like is that we are an extremely large institution with very high quality programs in many, many areas. Virtually all, if not all, the departments in the college are top 10 ranked by any kind of reasonably objective polls. Other programs in the university are extraordinary, from the sciences and mathematics to things in the humanities. This is a place where a student can come and really choose an area of study and be virtually guaranteed that they're in a very high quality place for that given discipline.